Pete'sTools.com.
G'day guys, Pete from Pete's Tools. Another beautiful day here in paradise. Hey, you know when you're plasma cutting away there and you make a beautiful looking cut, and you look on the other side and you get all this dross or this slag or whatever you want to call it. I used to spend hours with the angle grinder getting this stuff off, especially with the full sheets that I was cutting. But I figured out a quick way to do it that it's not so noisy as well. Anyway guys, if you like my video, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment, and let me show you what I did. So you just made a beautiful cut with your plasma cutter and said, oh yeah, that's pretty good looking, Pete. Yee! And then you turn it over and you get all this dross stuff on the other side. Well, this is what I just used to do, guys. Just used to do this. Really noisy and a pain in the bum, really. Yeah, it's all very well if you got a little bit to do, you know, only this wide. But I mean, if you're doing big long sheets, it takes forever, and it's that bloody noisy and it echoes around in my workshop, and it's really, really horrible. Not to mention that, see how you have to hit that on a sort of an angle with the grinding wheel, and it sort of just marks the steel. Well, maybe it's just me that I'm rough. As you are, you know how it is. But anyway, I just got this little contraption that I just made, a real simple thing. I'll show you. So all I do, guys, is just get an old bit of flat bar like that, about 2.5 inches across. As long as it's got a little bit of weight to it, guys, and this is what I do with it. What you want, guys, is a bit about 1 foot long. And just whack them off with the old plasma cutter. Like that. See, I've cut that on a little bit of an angle there, guys. Can you see that? Wondered why that was a bit ugly cutting. I ended up cutting through the plate. Idiot feet. Anyway, what I'll do is I'll grab a grinder and I'll just smooth them out. Once again, I'm just keeping it on the same angle as this. We're not going quite straight like this. Up and down, we're going on the angle like this. See, we got that angle there, guys, on a bit of an angle like that, and it's nice and clean so we don't rip our hands to pieces. And what I normally do with the other end of it is I just cut the corners off here, just so it's nice to grab with your hand. Why I do that to this end, guys, is because I'm a bugger at picking things up without gloves, so I don't use gloves half the time when I should do. So I just don't want me to rip my hands to pieces when I'm using it, eh? So we'll do a nice cut in this piece of steel, guys, and yeah, then I'll show you how to get the slag or the dross, or whatever you want to call it, off the bottom. Hey, see this ruler here? If you want to make one of these, check up the top. I've got a way that you can make these. They're real cheap to make and they're really cool. See that? You don't need any clamps or anything. You just drop the bloody thing on there and start cutting. Right, let's cut this little sucker off. So let's have a look, guys, and turn them over and see how much slag we've got left, or dross, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know if it's called slag or dross or what it's called. There's a bit on there, guys, can you see that? So what I normally do is get the angle grinder and just whack that off there, but I'll show you. Some people do it like this with a screwdriver and a hammer, and actually getting on the side there and just chipping it off, you know. What a pain in the bum. It's all very well if you've got a little sheet like this, but if you're doing 3.5 metre sheets, full sheets lengthways, it's going to take you bloody hours. And then the grinder is just so noisy, but I've seen people do it like this. I mean, what a pain in the bum. I wouldn't do it like that. Anyway, get your tool that you made here, like a little nice little club. Just hold your steel on an angle like that, guys, and get your little club thing that you made like that, and just belt it like that. See that? Just hit it right on the edge. Don't hit it flat like that. Hit it right on the edge. Can you see that? Look at that. See how clean that is? You almost don't even have to go with an angle grinder. I mean, it's that clear that it... This end here, the sharpened end. There you go. Done. See, we've still got dross here. There you go. Gone. Gone. No more dross. Another go, Pete. Dross here. Dross. Gone. Just make sure you wear safety glasses because this shit flies everywhere when you hit it. Remember, don't hit it like that. Hit it on an angle. We cleared it up here, and then we've got dross again here. Now this will just knock it off on an angle, but why we've done the end like this is, sometimes you get really hard stuff that you can't get off. And even if you smack it 2 or 3 times, you'll still end up with little bits that are really, really baked on there. So what I do with this is use this side, hold it like that, and just go like this. Off. Quite simple really, and then all I do is with the tool, done. It's clean as a whistle, guys. Like I was talking about, it's really, really hard on there, and for you to get that off with an angle grinder, it's going to take ages and it's so friggin' noisy. Just grab your tool, put it down flat, gone. There you go, off. Okay, if you wanted to, you just tickle it out with an angle grinder, 10 seconds and you're done. Anyway guys, that's my useless tip for the day. Get rid of that nasty slag or dross or whatever you want to call it. It's going to be a right pain in the bum, eh? It used to take me ages. It used to take me longer to get that off than what it did to actually cut the steel. So I just got me one of these and just dealt to it. No worries at all. Anyway guys, if you like my video, subscribe, drop me a like, drop me a comment. See you next time. Bye bye.
Pete'sTools.com